Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com, making this video as a weekly recap, last week's trades taken and trade setups. So let's get started. So very good week. Bank of Japan did the intervention and a lot of yen pairs trades, you will see. So this is the first one on the 22nd July, pound Aussie, and mostly you will see 20-minute chart plus the 7-minute chart as well. And then most of the trades are taken by the EA, expert advisor, Robarts. So here, of course, with my setup and analysis and all of that. So this is the one, the pound Aussie for 125 pip, long entry here. And you will see this yellow mark showing my entry and SL move to break even plus. And this is the setup. Exactly. Everything is taken by the setup, nothing random. So on the 22nd, again, a USD CAD long setup and for 80 pip buy order is right there. On the 22nd, S&P 500, beautiful entry here. This was not an entry because yellow just came a little bit below. So that's why. And then this was the entry. This was the entry. So this system gives you a lot of entries. U.S. oil on the 22nd as well. Sell order is right there, going down from here to here. And then on the 22nd as well, Japan's Nikkei, beautiful long setup here and from here to there. And this is on the 22nd as well, EUR-AUD, beautiful long setup here, buy orders right there for 140 pip. It is 2-day worth of trade. This is pound Aussie, same thing, going for 130 pip buy orders right there on the 22nd. The first day, Monday, was huge day. 22nd, Aussie yen going down here. Yen start to get strong, intervention, and then 90 pip to the downside. Actually, this was more because of Aussie weakness. Gold started to go up, and then this is on the 23rd, and this is a long setup buy order from here 23.98 to 24.09. And that's from 100 box size actually. 23rd, this one is pound yen. Look at that beautiful entry all the way down for 180 pip. This is what you call intervention. CAD yen going down for 120 pip on the 23rd. USD yen going down for 60 because it's on the 7-minute chart. So it looks big, and then it just only from here to 60 pip. It's a small chart. Euro yen, look at that, 120 pip all the way down. Beautiful entry there. All yen pair. Aussie yen, 170 pip from there to there. Why? Because not only yen was getting strong, but Aussie was getting very weak as well. So this pair went down big time. Oil from here to here, again from 77.24 to 76.60. And this is Bitcoin going down slowly but surely all the way from here, 67,472 to 65,676. This one, USD yen again. This one from here to here for 95 pip. And this is CAD yen again, 110 pip. No, this is the first CAD yen. Aussie yen again, right? This is beautiful trade for 100 pip again. One more, 123rd. A lot of trades on 23rd as well. Gold started to go up for 150. Big size from here. And this is from here to here, 2404 to 2416. And this is Euro yen again. You can see a lot of yen pairs, and they move big time again and again and again. USD yen, this is the third trade. USD yen is on the 24th, is 115 plus pip. Sell order is right there. Pound yen again, right? And then 50 pip. That's what happened when intervention happens. USD yen 200 pip here, the biggest one so far from the 7-minute chart. Pound Aussie going to the upside on the 24th, 80 pip here from the 7-minute chart. And this is NASDAQ going down from here to here. This is my son doing most of these indices on his computer. I'm not even doing these. On the 24th, S&P 500, look at that. Beautiful trade. USD yen again, 120 pip to the downside on the 24th. I mean, this was like retracing, going down, retracing, going down, retracing, going down, all week long. CAD yen again, 100 pip. Beautiful from 7-minute chart. On the 24th. On the 24th, pound yen, you can see that, 95 pip. So many yen pairs. Nikkei going down as well from here to here, from a 20-minute chart. And then gold going to the upside on the 24th. This is the long entry right there, buy order right there, right? From 2408 to 2424. And this is Bitcoin, nice short from here to there all the way, from 65,823 to 63,878. And this is USD yen again for 145 pip. This is on the 24th, gold going down. Beautiful trade from 23.98 to 23.68. This one now Aussie yen 7-minute chart going to the upside. 60. Now they're turning back again to the upside on the 25th because a yen now went down all the way to the reversing point, and now it's gonna get weaker again, and all yen pair will go to the upside again, starting from here now. And this one, euro yen, excuse me, that was a sneeze. Euro yen 7-minute chart for 155 pip, now turning to the upside again. Right? See that? Pound yen to the long side, 170 pip. That's what happened. It went down big time and then bouncing and going up again. Bitcoin going to the upside, beautiful trade here, beautiful entry, buy orders right there. And look at that entry. This system is great. 25 on 25th, this is the Bitcoin from 66,036 to 67,158. And then this one, gold on the 26th, beautiful long entry from 23.77 to 23.88. And then the last but not the least is USD CADs from 7-minute chart on the 26th. And this is buy orders right there. This is the entry, and it is for 70 pip. So these are like almost 38, 39, maybe 40 trades. And mostly I'm able to do it because I put my expert advisor robot on different charts and a lot of different pairs according to my analysis, and they open the trade for me. Now, I had, SL hit, from 20-minute chart, I probably have like 15 to 12, 15 SL hit, right? But my SL is always 25 pip, not more than that. And most of the SL hit are at break even. And then if the trade goes in my way, you just saw that how many pips it can go, right? So pound yen or pound USD, a positive one going for 200 pip, but my SL hit for 25 pip or 15 pip here there doesn't mean anything, you come out with a lot more positive. So and then 7-minute chart has my SL. See this entry, the SL is right there. If I take the entry from here to this here, then my SL is right there. So from 7-minute chart, then SL is only 15 pip, right? And most of the time what happens is that the price goes, for example, if I go long here, and then what happened? It goes in my way, 15, 20 pip, my SL goes to break even. Then it comes back and take me out. No harm done, right? No loss. And then again, the setup builds up, then it takes the entry again, and then that goes for the distance. So that happens, again and again and again and again. So yeah, so this is how it is. And today is Saturday, and I'm making all new charts, gold and Bitcoin and all of that for the trade setups, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, all of those charts will be done new. And showing the trade setup for the next week, and in fact for the coming weeks. And I'll be posting that on my Telegram for my group to take advantage. For example, here, see this, I posted here the gold making a long, and this was the entry, and then boom, it went up. Similarly, UJ is going to get weaker again. So I said the yen is going to get weaker again, and it did, and all yen pair went up. Right. So this is how this thing is. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system or learn how I'm doing this, become an expert of this market, in this business, get the robot and understand the system. One-on-one coaching is available here, and different courses, harmonic courses, Elliott Wave course, and this is a free course. Come and get it, and this will tell you what you really need to be learning to be able to do this business profitably. Okay, very good course, and which is free. So and then yeah, so robots are right there. So this is it for now. And like I said, today is Saturday. We have one more day, Sunday. Enjoy the rest of the weekend, and I'll talk to you guys later sometime.